Hello everyone, Sam is here from my forestmagicweb.com, making this small video at the end of the week. Today is Saturday morning actually, a little bit late, but it's okay. So let's get started. I just wanted to cover a few things and all the trades and what happened. So this is a Euro Index chart. In my last video, I showed you that how the exit wave usually unfold. I don't want to show it again. All right, so it's like 1, 2, 3, and then I said, the euro is going to drop here for wave 4 and then go up for wave 5. And when the euro index is moving, all the pairs that involve euro, they're moving as well, right? For example, I said here, EUR-AUD is going to drop, EUR-USD is going to drop, and EJ is going to drop, and then when they go up, these pairs will go up too, right? So in my last video, I showed you those. Let me show you again. Excuse me. Every time I start doing the webinar, my hiccups start. I don't know what happened. Okay, so bear with me. All right. So this is when the euro was dropping, and I was waiting for short setup. So these were the trades: EUR-AUD down. I wrote it on the chart, right? And this is something else. Pound-AUD. It was. When the market goes down, then most of the pairs goes down as well. So this is EUR-USD. I said EUR-USD is gonna drop, so it did, right? Right here you can see it says EUR-AUD, EUR-USD, and EJ, Euro-Yen. So what happened to Euro-Yen? Go take a look. EUR-USD, and then there's the Pound-Yen also. I did it 160. Then this is Euro-Yen. You can see here, right? Exact nice short setup, and then I took it all the way down. And then I had another one because of this pound yen and this Aussie yen, and because of the yen strength. Okay, so we're not talking about the yen strength now. So this is what happened to euro pairs, right? And then what happened to this chart? Actually, it came down to, let me show you just this, the next chart. It came down here, nice and clean, and that's how I took those trades, right? Then it started to go up again a little bit. So I said, all right, this is a classic ABC zigzag coming to the downside, and then maybe right around exactly, by the book is 38%, and sometimes it drops because this is a support 29.86, right? Maybe right around here, maybe these highs. So if it drops somewhere here, it will go up again. So if it's dropping, then it's going to drop again and give us short setup and then short trades, and then it will go up. So when it's dropping, I did few trades, but I couldn't. I didn't save them actually. Right? So, but what happened is that when I don't have it, I didn't save it, so I can't show it to you. There was a small trade anyway. But this is Aussie yen the other day on the 10th. The 10th I did Aussie yen pairs. I did this one. I did CAD yen and I did USD yen, because of the yen strength. So regardless of that, so I was busy there because of, whenever you see the opportunity, you go there, right? So I saw euro dropping there first, so first three or four trades, euro short. Then I saw yen index getting strong, so I took advantage and took all three yen pairs to the downside. But then again, I saw that this would happen. Understand? I saw that, okay, it has come down here, and this is the short at this area, the euro index, 29.86, gonna hold here, and then we will go up again, right? So based on that, and what happened to this chart, you can see this what happened. Yeah? So far, right here, not all the way, but we went up. So obviously, when euro is getting up, euro index, then euro pair will go up. EUR-AUD, EUR-USD, and EUR-Yen. So kind of busy. I was on Friday, some health issue as well, doctor appointments in that. So I basically did only one trade on Euro-Yen. I took it long, which is right here. Okay, so it is exactly from there was a support level as well, and right from there I took it long, and then you can see my entry here, SL here, and went up there, came down, went up nice and clean. Good trade, right? So this is how nicely, when you have euro index or yen index, see, I just showed you three yen pairs, they're all going down. Why? Because yen was involved in all three, and yen was getting strong. So all 8-9 pair went down. So I saw nice setups in these three: CAD yen, USD yen, Aussie yen, and I took them. Simple as that. Right? But for example, now what will happen to euro? Let me show it to you. Okay, this is, look at it. This is the chart. This is euro index weekly. Now you see the big picture. What's happening? So whatever, coming down, going up, it is happening right here in this little candle here. This is the black doji, what you can say. But the whole thing is telling you that basically we need to come down for a retracement, maybe around these lows. Just like, let me see if I can show you. Just like this one. See the big move, and then it comes down here and then go up. Right? Nothing goes straight in a straight line. Even this big move here, then it retraces and then come down. So this telling us that, yeah, we need to come down here somewhere, man. Here, maybe here. So this is what it is. All right. So bigger picture, and this is what I teach in my webinars. That you look for the bigger picture, and then you play around with this 40-minute mumbo jumbo, and then grab this market by the neck. All right, control the market. This is what it's called, controlling the market completely, knowing what the thing, what's happening. I cannot show you all the other indexes, but every single index, the yen index, the USD index, USD index, you can go and see the charts on my website. I'm tracking that since January this year exactly, and that thing is moving exactly according to my chart since then. And I can tell you which pair is doing what. So now you saw that, for example, see this one? So if euro is going to drop, that means euro USD and euro yen, they all need to drop, right? EUR-AUD, right? So are they in a position to drop? That's the question. So for example, if they are, then we should be ready, right? And then if we are ready, we see on a 40-minute chart and 20-minute chart, take entries, and that's it. Simple as that. It's 1, 2, 3 punch. Okay. So let me show you. If euro is going to drop, then we need EUR-AUD, EUR-USD drop, right? For example, let's go take a look at the EUR-AUD. Well, first take a look at the EUR-USD if it's ready to drop or it's in a position to drop. So you will be amazed. This is my chart. I said this thing is going to go from here to there, and it went all the way there. And this is right now standing just below the big support, resistance, right? And yeah, obviously it needs to drop here. And I already made my chart. I'm not supposed to show it to but I'm showing you anyway, right? So yeah, we have a chance to drop. Yes, we need a retracement here as well. So if euro index showing that it's going to drop, you're going to get weaker, and this thing is going to drop. Obvious. So we will be waiting for that. Similarly, do we have a chance in EUR-AUD to drop? You will be amazed to see that. It's standing exactly at very big resistance, just under that. And, after that, boom. Look at here. You see this candle, last Friday? And this white line, go right here. This is these two numbers, 49.90 and 50.26. Where do we stop here? 49.71. Right there. How much high we made? 5008 or 9. 5009. So 16 pips shy from this number, and then we came back below this number. This is 49.90. This is 49.71. If we start rolling to the downside on a 40-minute chart, we will see. And if you see this indicator here. Okay, it's not showing the divergence now, but maybe later. I don't know. Okay, I didn't see that it was there was or maybe 20-minute chart. We need to see this number is holding. This is what it is. This is 49.98. Okay, 49.99. Right. So we hit that number, and now we're wobbling below that number. Right. So maybe this is it, and we will start rolling to the downside as euro starts showing some weakness. So you saw you saw EUR-AUD ready to drop, EUR-USD ready to drop. Similarly, if you look at the Euro-Yen, you will find it, and any other Euro pair, by the way, Euro-CAD, this, that, they're going to drop with the Euro Index dropping. And I caught already Euro Index, I showed you, it's all the way on the top, right? It can go to the upside more, but the chances of dropping there, yeah. So this is what it is that, this is how you anticipate. And if that happens, you make a move. And this is what I do all the time. And I show you my charts all the time. And this is what I teach in my webinars. Okay, so it's very important, it's like imperative that you learn these moves and anticipate ahead of time what's happening. For example, right here, see, I had this one, right? Then this one, it came down. Then I made the chart again, it's gonna come down and then go up, and nicely from here, it went. Where'd it go? The chart disappeared. Here, it went up there. So maybe this is one, ABC A. This is B, and then we will have a C coming down here, big time. Okay, if this is the ceiling here. And with that, Euro-AUD, Euro-USD, Euro-Yen, Euro this, Euro that, they all come down. Similarly, I have whole thing set up in Aussie Index, USD Index, Yen Index, some of those Yen pairs. If I show you Yen Index is ready to bounce actually. So if Yen is going to get weaker, some of those pairs, where the currency is getting strong on the other side, they will fly. Okay, and instead of Euro-Yen get shorting, because Euro is going to get weaker, and then if Yen is getting weaker, that Euro-Yen pair is not going to move, right? So we need something else. Maybe pound is going to get strong, or USD going to get strong. If Yen is getting weaker, USD getting strong, go long on USD Yen. Simple as that. All right. So this is just wanted to show that how I track these indexes, and then a little bit of study, like Elliott wave, harmonic patterns always helps. But the key factor in this trading is these SNR levels. These are big levels. They are very, very important. I have made charts like monthly charts, weekly charts. See this one? From here, I said we're gonna go up there. So far, we went up there, we came down, we went up there, but it may drop, it may go up, it depends. But if Euro Index, I just showed you, is gonna start dropping, we're gonna drop again here. Okay. If you draw the trend line from here to here, right? So maybe we will drop right around this area. So when you sign up, I give you this chart. In fact, I give you a template. Template means that you're going to just open a chart and apply the template, and boom, the whole thing will pop on your computer. And also the weekly, the monthly and the weekly template of each and every pair and each and every index. So you will have all of these charts on your computer running exactly the way they are running on my computer. Okay. And when I'm teaching in my webinars, you can just look at your computer exactly this. You will be on the same page and you will understand more. Okay. So look at this 20-minute chart, how easy. See this ranging is bad, right? But it's trending, how easy it gives you entries, man. Entries here, entry. Every time is this indicator all the way come down, entry, down, entry, down, entry, down, entry. Look at these trades, down, entry. How many pips you can make this down entry? Hundreds of pips you can make easily with the guiding chart, like my long-term chart that, okay, this time is going to go up. So just keep hitting. So this is what I do. I do a webinar on a website. Wednesday and Sunday. So I do it on Sunday to prepare you Monday, Tuesday, and Wednesday morning. And then Wednesday evening, the other webinar, next webinar, to cover what has happened and what will happen Thursday and Friday. On the night of Wednesday, and then Thursday morning, and then Friday, that night and then morning. So you covered. So all you have to do is just watch the charts and then look for the entries. And not only that, you see this here, Magic IB alarm. So this is the alarm that I give you. When the setup is ready, when this indicator is below these two red lines, it will start beeps, especially when these MAs are aligned. either upside or downside. For example, this is aligned, so the price is nicely going up, and white is above black, and this black above white, and this yellow above black, right? So they are aligned. So when this comes down here, right here, the indicator, this alarm is going to start beeping. So whatever you're doing, you just come down here and then, look at the chart. Okay, okay, these are red candles. Nice setup is building, and what you have to do, wait for 2 blue candles and pull the trigger. That's all. Simple. Similarly here, the red candle comes down here. Right here, you're ready. It comes down. 2 blue candles, open the trade. Same here. 2 blue candles, open the trade. Here. Same thing. Okay. See this one here, right? You make an entry, it go up, right? And then it comes down, you lose 20 pips if it takes your SL. It doesn't matter, really. How many already you have made here? So if you lose 20 pip here, so big deal. And then the second entry again, yeah, look again. So once in a while, if your SL hit, nothing to worry about, because you're gonna have a lot of pip. See this 130 pip just from here to here. So this is how it is, all right? So if you like what you see, just go on my website, subscribe. And by the way, I have this program now on my website. Let me show you real quick. See, this is my website here. And this is become an affiliate. Now you can become an affiliate. For example, if you, if you subscribe or not, but if you bring anybody, you get 50% commission, all right? So every customer you bring, that's $35, $33 for you. And it's recurring, every month. Okay. So you can become an affiliate, you register here, and, and then you get login information in your email. So you come down here, you log in, and you go there and get your affiliate link. And then you can you get the codes. So you place the codes in your if you're advertising on your website, you can place the codes on your website. Or the other type of code is that you can send it in the email to your friend, family, whatever, that use this code and go in your link. Right? So you tell them that use this link and go and sign up. And if they do, and if you don't want to tell anyone, and then you want to be keep it secret and just let me know. So you can just email me that, okay, Sam, I'm sending this guy, and that's his email. And if he signs up, that's my my customer or whatever, my client. So I will respect that. No big deal. Okay. So it's a very good chance to make money as well. So get on board and start making money, guys. All right. So thanks for watching. Have a great day.